all of a sudden, I'm talking to this beautiful girl for an hour and a half. She's ready to come to my place, which was absolutely mind-blowing and just changed my perception on what is actually possible. Hey guys, I'm Yash. Just completed the 5-day immersion program with Social Freedom, so Ben and Alex. So I actually before the program, I was in a 3.5-year relationship that I recently got out of. And after a relationship, I was kind of feeling not very confident about going out, meeting other women. I was kind of very shy and found it really hard to kind of push my boundaries and get out of my comfort zone. And so that's exactly what my objective was when I signed up for the program. Funny story actually. So I bumped into Ben in Brisbane while I was out with a couple of mates, and I had literally seen him on a video on YouTube the day before. So it was kind of like a sign for me that I fucking need to get onto this program. And right then and there, we had a chat for like 15-20 minutes, got along super well, and I was kind of instantly sold. So Ben gave me access to the Social Freedom Facebook group and the Unleash program as well, which I went through thoroughly. Very comprehensive guide that takes you through the whole process of day game, night game, how to initiate chats, anything you could think of about the process of approaching women and taking things further was all in there. It was very comprehensive, very detailed video about every single topic, which was absolutely amazing to go through before the course because it already gave me a good idea of what I'd be learning on the course and where the things would proceed. So that was really good to have before the course. So we started the program off with some progressive desensitization exercises, which was, I won't lie, it was really challenging, and just kind of, we got a bit thrown in the deep end from the get-go, which was absolutely brilliant and needed. But yeah, we had to do a bunch of funny, silly exercises in public, and just to kind of get the idea in our head that everyone around us doesn't care what we're doing. They're all just focused on their lives. And we shouldn't give a shit about anything that's going on around us. So after doing that, we felt completely at ease and kind of pretty much ready to do anything, to be honest. But so day one, I won't lie, it was very challenging at first. Like, I was very scared to start any conversation with strangers. I'm naturally a very shy person and always have been, so it's very hard for me to not just express myself, to not just start a conversation with a stranger, but like in general, even with people I know, sometimes I struggle to have a chat. So it's a very big kind of kick in the butt to just get started. It was very challenging, but by day 5 of the program, I was having so much fun interacting with strangers, and it was actually it actually felt weird to me if I didn't approach a girl that I found pretty and beautiful. I would be telling myself, why the hell did I not start a conversation? Like the contrast I felt between day 1 and day 5 in me was absolutely phenomenal. Like I was just absolutely just freaking having fun with myself and like loving the interactions, getting into so many different conversations with random beautiful women. One of the crazy things that happened to me actually during this program was on day 1. Like things started to go a bit better in the second half of the day. I was making some good approaches, got a few numbers, and actually even met this one girl that was completely my type and very freaking gorgeous as well. We ended up vibing really well, had a quick chat. She agreed to come on an instant date with me. So we hung out, got a drink, got some juice together, went for a walk. And what really blew my mind is that I probably was talking to her for about an hour and a half-ish or so. And she agreed to come to my place afterwards, which was a completely new reality to me. Like I've never done that before, and all of a sudden, I'm talking to this beautiful girl for an hour and a half. She's ready to come to my place, which was absolutely mind-blowing and just changed my perception on what is actually possible. So that was definitely one of the craziest things that I experienced during the program. Now that I've completed the program, I feel like a much more confident version of myself. I've broken through so many of my boundaries in terms of comfort zones and beliefs of what women want and don't want. It's like the contrast is absolutely massive. Like, I cannot describe how much I've changed over the past few days and how my mindset has just shifted from being someone shy and just silent and not doing anything to someone that is now, like, you know, actively going out and enjoying pushing myself and pushing my boundaries, and getting out of my comfort zone. If you want to become a better version of yourself and you want to push your boundaries, it's one of the best investments I've made in myself, because like it's just added a whole lot of confidence and just pushed me to get out of my comfort zone so much. So if you're sitting on the fence about this program, to be honest, like, just fucking do it. It's the best thing that you'll like. It's a proper investment in yourself, and there is no better thing than investing in yourself. So you should absolutely fucking do it. I wouldn't think about it twice. The boys are great. It's a great, and they built an awesome community as well. They're so helpful, so responsive. It's a no-brainer, to be honest. Whatever your goal is, this program's for you.